Alright, so this is a related measures t where you have scores before a treatment and then again after a treatment. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is compute difference scores. Okay. And the difference scores are computed in this case as we're taking the scores before minus the scores after. Okay. So note that you record the difference scores and that negatives are completely possible. Okay. After you've worked with the difference scores, those difference scores are what you're going to analyze. You don't use the pre and post test scores anymore to compute the t-test. Right? So you start by computing the mean of those difference scores. So the sum of the different scores, if you add them all up, is equal to 5, and there are 15 of them. So the mean of your difference scores is equal to 0.33. Right? Then after you have the mean of the difference scores, you compute the standard error of the mean difference. Right? And to do that, you need the standard deviation of the difference scores. So to get the standard deviation of the different scores, I simply entered the 15 different scores into my calculator and used the stat mode to find out the standard deviation. In this case, it was 0.617, and then divide that by the square root of n. N was 15, which gives us a standard error of the mean of 0.159. Right? So that's the denominator of your t-test. Next, you need to just compute the t, where the t is computed as the mean differences divided by the standard error of the mean. Or this is the observed differences between your mean divided by the difference you'd expect due to sampling error. Right? So you have 0.33 in the numerator and 0.159 in the denominator, which gives you a t of 2.09.